In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save current tax return as PDF on TurboTax for free. By the end, you'll have a clean, downloadable copy of your return you can keep for records, share when needed, and reference for next year without paying a fee. Start by opening TurboTax and signing into your account. Once you're in, open your current tax return. If you filed with TurboTax before, make sure you're using the same account so your return appears on the tax home screen. From the tax home, click Continue to enter your return. This takes you into the actual filing workspace where you can access all the tools tied to your current year's return. Look to the left side menu and select Tax Tools. This panel gives you access to utilities that aren't part of the question-by-question interview, including printing and saving options. Under Tax Tools, click Print Center. On the Print Center page, choose Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. This is the spot where TurboTax bundles your documents into a single, nicely formatted PDF. Next, choose which return you want to download. You can select the federal return, the state return, or both. If you want a more complete record, you can include worksheets when available. Worksheets show the calculations behind the scenes, which can be helpful for future questions from a lender or for your own reference. But keep in mind they can add extra pages. If you haven't signed in yet, or you got here from a direct link, use the link in the description to access TurboTax and open your return, then follow these same steps to reach the Print Center. When you're ready, click View PDF or Preview Return. TurboTax will generate a PDF version of your current return. Give it a moment to load, and avoid closing the tab while it's generating. When the PDF opens in your browser or PDF viewer, click the Download or Save button. Choose a location on your device that you'll remember, like a dedicated taxes folder. It's a good idea to add the tax year to the file name so it's easy to find later. After the download finishes, open the Save PDF and quickly scroll through to confirm that all pages are included and readable. If something looks off, go back to the Print Center and regenerate the file. Finally, keep a copy for your records in a secure location. This PDF can be useful for tax records, loan applications, AGI verification, and future filing needs. Consider backing it up in a secure cloud folder or an external drive so you always have access. Thanks for watching.